Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu. それから皆さん, this week we're looking at describing people. So we talked about describing animals, and we're going to look at some more body parts that maybe we haven't looked at with animals, and we're going to look at some other adjectives that we can use to describe people, and then put that together in some sentences. So minasan, first of all, so by the time you complete this, you should be able to describe yourself and others, say the color of hair and eyes, and other things about people. Ask what someone's like, and ask about people's appearance. So to begin with, we have a few little revision quizzes for you. So on in the Describing People project, minasan, there is a worksheet. So you can do this activity on the worksheet. This is just a quick quiz here on this clip to see how you go and see what body parts do you know. So minasan, see how you go. See if you can look through and work out which body part is which. And on the next slide, I'll give you the answers and say them for you. So when you do the worksheet, minasan, if you need help, you can look back to this video and find the answers to what you need to put into the worksheet. じゃあ、行きましょう. Let's go. So minasan, here we go. Here's some body parts we have. So obviously me, we did with animals. We did hana, nose with animals. Kuchi, mouth with animals. Mimi, ears. Another one, kata. Hiji, elbow. Ashi. So minasan, ashi becomes your leg as well as your feet. Hiza, knees. Te, hand. Ude, arm. Okay, and there's a couple more that are on the Education Perfect vocabulary list. Se, which is height, which is a very important one. Kami no ke, hair. And a good one to know is hige for beard. Okay, so they are important ones to know, minasan. それから行きましょう. Next slide. So some adjectives we can use to describe someone. So if you want to talk about somebody's personality or their skills, so this is a kind of easy sentence. We can say the person's name. John-san wa shizuka desu. He is quiet. John-san wa fun desu. So minasan, all of these words are on the Education Perfect introduction for the unit Describing Myself. So please make sure that you write all of these down. When you do the EP, make sure you listen to the pronunciation of all of these words. So tanoshii, omoshiroi, tsumaranai, hen, strange, yasashi, majime, serious, jozu, so skilled. If you're good at something, we can say you're jozu or tokui. If you're not good at something, heta or nigate. Next slide, minasan. Some words, some more adjectives to describe appearance. So we use some of these to describe animals. So for some of you, you should know these already. And there's a few others that we can use. So minasan, obviously big, oki, small, chisai, long, nagai we've used, short, mijikai. Okay, tall. So but when we talk about somebody being tall, we use se for height, ga takai, se ga takai. So their height is tall. Or se ga hikui, their height is low. We don't use long or short to talk about somebody's height. Sorekara I, good. So you can talk about somebody having a good head, so that means they're smart. Atama ga ii desu. Okay, or atama ga warui, so they're not smart. Minikui, ugly. Cute, kawaii. Beautiful, utsukushi. Pretty, kirei. And good looking, kakoi. So minasan, to put these together, we have gone through this sentence structure before with our animals. So I just put this person in here. Well, we did it before. We just had animal wa, body part ga, adjective. We can also now put a person here. So you could say your brother. Ototo wa me ga chairo desu. Okay, so my brother has brown eyes. Just the same as when you used it for a dog. Okay, same this one, we can say inu no me wa oki desu. So the dog's eyes are big. Okay, remember putting the no in here gives the possession to the body part. So we could say ototo no me wa chairo desu. My little brother's eyes are brown. Okay, the new sentence structure that we're looking at this time, guys, is what about if you want to say more than one adjective in your sentence? You want to use more than one adjective to describe a person. Okay, so to join adjectives in Japanese, we need to use different things. We cannot just use to. So there are two ways to join adjectives together if you're working with an I adjective. So an I adjective usually has an I on the end, sometimes a double I. Okay, so when you learn your adjectives, you need to learn whether it's an I adjective or a na adjective. So for an I adjective, we take off the final I, like chisai, so it becomes chisa. Then we add kute, so it becomes chisai, chisakute, and add the second adjective afterwards. Chisakute kawaii desu. Small and cute. So watashi no neko wa chisakute kawaii desu. My cat is small and cute. Okay, the meaning of kute is similar to and in English. All right, so we cannot join these sentences just using to, which we know means and. We need to join these adjectives this way. We can only use to with nouns. Ja. Okay, so there are two exceptions to these I adjectives. Good, I. So when you change good, you want to join it with another adjective to say something is good and handsome. Then you would have to say you change the good to the I just changes to yokute. Okay, we cannot say ikute. And also to say somebody's cool or handsome looking, kakoi becomes kakoyokute, not kakoyokute. So we have to change the double I, the double I, to a yo. Okay? Ito-san wa kakoyokute atama ga ii desu. So Ito-san is cool or handsome, atama ga ii desu, and smart. Ja. Okay, minasan, have a go. See if you can go answer these, translate these into English. So we have inu no me wa okikute kuroi desu. Haha wa omoshirokute shinsetsu desu. Ototo wa shizuka de atama ga ii desu. Neko wa shippo ga nagakute orange desu. Chichi no kami no ke wa mijikakute kuroi desu. The other adjective we need to look at, minasan, is the na adjective. Okay? With a na adjective, we don't have to take any hiragana. We don't have to take a I off the end. So the na adjective, if it's in front of a noun, we use the na between it and the noun. If it's after the noun, we don't use the na. So But when we're joining it, we have to pretend there's no na, and it just becomes kirei, and we add de. So it becomes kirei de. And then you add the second direction, the second adjective, kirei de yasashii. Watashi no ane wa kirei de yasashii desu. My big sister is pretty and kind. Kirei de yasashii. Okay, so in this stage, the de is just like and, just like the kutte. Okay, minasan, then have a go again at these, translating these sentences. How did you go? Here are the answers. Okay, the dog's eyes are big and black. Mum is funny and kind. My little brother is quiet and smart. The cat has long orange tail. Dad's hair is short and black. See if you guys, your challenge is to write 5 sentences to describe yourself. So using the information on this sheet and the vocabulary from Education Perfect, see if you can write 5 sentences to describe yourself. Upload these to Work Due. Arigatou gozaimasu.